type the rationale of how an organization creates, delivery, and capture value. In the entrepreneurship definition itself, we discussed value increasing. Here, during that business, how can we create, deliver, and capture the value? See, in this cyclic program, the organization produce a product or service to delivering to the customer. Based on then we are capturing revenue as well happiness. We are solving the customer problem, return back we are getting revenue. So first create, maybe this is a product, we are giving a delivery, customers are satisfied. Once again, return back, we are getting a revenue. This is a business model here. Now, business model is to create, analyze the business in the term product or service, customer, revenue. Here we have business model block. Create a new business. Before that, creating a new business, you want to understand a canvas model. We want to prepare a business plan canvas. We have 9 different building with that. I will tell what are the 9 building. With a suitable example, we will complete the 9 building. Same exercise you can give to your students during your innovation and entrepreneurship program. So create a new business model easily. Now, business plan canvas is a tool to create, analyze a business model. Tool that create, analyze business model. Now, I am going to introduce 9 building blocks. First one is customer segment. Always for the business, first one is a customer business. Which customer and user are you going to sell? Which job do they really want to get done? So please understand customer segment. First, students are giving lot of idea. With that idea, we need to complete first introduction question. Who are your payable customer? Like same thing in the customer segment, which customer and user are you serving? Which job do they really want to get down? This is a customer segment. Then after customer segment, what is a value proposition? Value proposition is very, very important. If we are doing some service, what is the important value which is you only you are giving to the customer, others are not able to give? What is the value proposition? Value proposition, what you are offering them, what is that getting done for them, do they care? What is a value proposition? The value proposition is a key point for your business. Simple understanding, value proposition, one particular brand, we tell quality. The quality, that quality others are not able to give in that price. That may be a value proposition for many product, even service. Now, a suitable example for value proposition. A fan, one particular type of fan giving a longer life. Value proposition is a life of the fan. Life may be 20, 25 years. Granton fan is coming around 20 years, 24 years. Service life of the fan is very longer. That may be a value proposition of the company. Then channel. You have a product, nearly you have a customer. How you are sending the product to the customer. Customer using some channel. How does each customer segment want to be reached? Through which interaction point? That is a very important for that. How does each customer segment want to reach through which interaction point? Now, customer relationship. So channel is very important. The first class we introduced hunger index. The channel is a major problem for hunger index. In major area where we are large quantity of rice, wheat, even tomato, potato, vegetables what we produced, we are unable to reach another point, the channel. That's why Government of India is trying to get the product from one end to another end by means of proper channel. If you have a proper channel, hunger index value is reducing even less than 50. It is possible. Now, customer relation. Customer relation is possible. We can maintain a customer individually, one-to-one individual contact, or we are maintaining relationship by through digital. Nowadays, the people are interacting with the customer by means of WhatsApp, and they are giving message before some function or birthday. They are giving a nice message for customer relation. Then what are our revenue stream? What are the customer really willing to pay for you? How are you generating transaction or recurring revenue? What way you are getting the money from the customer? Revenue generation, how it is possible? Then key resource. If you have a product, which one is a raw material? What is an advertisement agency? How you are getting resource, all those things. These are the important terms involved. Key activities. Which activity do you need to perform well in your business model? Which one is a crucial part of that business? Key partner. If you are getting a raw material, then once again here customer, we have a manufacturing process. Who are the customer for you for developing this business? Now, cost structure. If you are a product producing a product, what is the cost involved here? What is the raw material cost? What is the process cost? We call fixed cost, variable cost, break-even point. Based on that, we can get suitable profit. So cost is very important. Now, key elements: partner network, key activity, key resource, offer, customer relationship, channels, customer segment, revenue stream, cost structure. These are the 9 parts of the business model canvas. Once again, partner network, key activity, offer, customer relationship, distribution channel, customer segment, revenue stream, cost structure. For the introduction about innovation and entrepreneurship, for students you can get idea generation 1 practicum, another one before business class, what is the design thinking? After design thinking, if you are coming to the level, I mean business model canvas, the students are able to produce this. That is very much useful for them to develop a business. Now we have, see, key partner we need to guess. We will give activity to the student. Who are your customer? How you are going to maintain the customer relationship? What are the channels to reach the customer? What is the unique selling proposition point? Write all those things. Key activity. What are the key resource? Guess your key partner. Cost structure. revenue stream. See, 9 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 blocks for business model canvas. Please understand that 9 blocks, if you are able to fill up, your business will develop slowly. So mainly the people before entering to the business, if you have this chart, definitely it will help you for developing a business. This is a business model canvas. Here few example. If I am developing a company that is related to juice, so in front of the park we are coming, taking the juice. For that, we are taking who are our customer. Visitors to the park is our customer. How we are directly, personally, we contact the customer, introducing our juice, giving the juice. Direct selling is a channel. What is a value proposition? Instead of having carbonated cool drink, we have a fresh juice. That is a proposition. Value proposition here, many people are giving Coca-Cola, Fanta like that. Instead of all those things, we are introducing a fruit juice, pure fruits, we are giving, that is a value proposition. Then we know key resource. Sales people we want, preparing that also very, we need juice preparing people, then manpower, machinery, mixture, these and all, key resource, key activity, then key partner, we need to contact with the fruit seller, there may be a partner, the same time, you want to maintain a stock in the fridge, that's why we want to maintain a good service partner for that. Then based on that, we need to arrive a cost structure. What is 1 kg of fruit? Based on that, how much processing charge is taken? If you are storing in the air condition or refrigerator, what is the cost for refrigerator? Then how much amount you can get per day? That is the revenue stream. This is a simple business plan model. I gave suitable example. Now you can arrive many example for those things. This one is a suitable example. Participant, are you able to give any one customer segment for latest business? Please come forward. Customer segment. Yesterday, people discussed many points. Anybody from participant side? Please. Madam, yesterday you expressed that tomorrow we'll have a presentation. Participant.
Participants, if you cannot unmute yourself and talk, even the chat box has been enabled for you to answer
If you have
sir's
any
question.
customer segment, I will put a question in the chat box. Please name customer segment for your product. Give one product name, give customer segment. Product name, customer segment. Anybody?
Sir, if we are selling some vehicle,
Yes, yes.
and so if we are typically like directly selling to our businesses, so then the customer segment for that will be B2B.
Okay, business to.
Yeah,
So
business to business.
what is your product here?
Vehicle, sir.
Oh,
So
vehicle.
selling a vehicle directly to the businesses, so that will make the customer and the person who is selling the product like business to business kind of segment.
So your product here, vehicle, you are searching a customer segment to have a dealer for that. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes,
a manufacturer, you are getting a super
dealer.
You are fixing a dealer, you are fixing dealer. Based on the dealer will directly contact to the customer somewhere. How you are maintaining a relationship with your dealer? Thank you. You have a customer segment, we have a dealer, we have a business point. Yeah, you appointed a dealer for that. How you are maintaining relationship with the dealer? What are the support you are going to give for the dealer? What are the support you are giving? Can you guess? Support for maintaining relationship with the dealer. Do you have any idea? See, if you want to maintain a dealer, you are giving a support, service support. At the same time, marketing people also, they are well known about the product. You are giving a support for marketing, service, even after sales, service station you are accommodate for that product. That way you can help them for future relationship. What are the channel? If you have a product in your hand, you are delivering to the customer point through the dealer. Dealer may be located very close to the Parch area, the city they are locating. But the company baby in the rural side, the distance is far away. We want to maintain a channels from a factory end to dealer end. We want to sell. Is it possible to give a value proposition of your product? If you are selling car, what is the value proposition of your product? Madam, are you able to identify a value proposition of the product?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Giving them the support of like fixing the rate,
Pitching?
fixing the cost for the particular dealership, sir.
Low cost you are taking as a value proposition. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Cost wise low. Our vehicle cost is very low. Even middle class people able to get suitable vehicle for them. Low cost, that is a value proposition. The key resource, we are selecting the material for the product with lesser cost alternate material and the latest technology using, we are reducing the cost. Who are your key partner for your product? Maybe a vehicle, car. Key partner. Key partner for the product. Very good, answerable question. This way, if you are applying for a new idea, definitely the maximum problems you can sort out. That's why we have a chart, business plan canvas. Who are your partner?
So the distributors or dealers.
distributor, dealer, those who are supplying a raw material supplier. Great. What are the cost structure you are arriving? What is your unit cost of the product based on rental product, rent, then how much workmanship you having, then we have a revenue part. After paying lot of tax, what we are saving for revenue. So if you have a car, we need to maintain a very big industry. That's why very difficult. Where we identify the difficult revenue generation is very, very difficult. It is not easy, but initial stage, if you have a company or industry, starting the industry is very, very difficult. Do you have some other example? Another participant, please. Easily identify a customer segment and a product. First, identify a product and a customer segment like this. Now we are in the, now we have a product or service, then customer. Please identify a product and a customer. Identify a product and a customer. Who are your customer? Please identify. Any other example? For class, you can take this as a sheet, 9 building points, give it to students. Students can develop a customer segment. You give this assignment or practical question for innovation and entrepreneurship course. You are taking a customer segment, relationship, channels, value proposition, key activities, key resource, key partner, cost structure, revenue stream. Is there any other example? Please. Some other participant. Participants are requested to come forward for discussion. Is there any other participant? We have a different customer segment. Sometimes mass customer also we have, that is concentrating more people on particular time. Using supermarket with mass customer, we can solve the problem. Now with another topic, we will analyze the idea to product by means of many things, that is called technology readiness level. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
What is technology readiness level? Here I am going to introduce 3 important terms, but concentrating only in the technology readiness level. T or L. Now we have an idea in our mind. The mind, if you are having an idea, converting into prototype, then making into a product, we have a different level. That level is expressed by the term technology readiness level. This is an important term. Why it is important? During a startup journey, you can say what level you are standing at present in MVP level, minimum viable product.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Yes.
Indumati ma'am has given an answer for your question like handmade soaps.
Oh, where in the chat box?
Yes, sir, in the question and answer box, sir.
Okay. Is it possible to unmute our mic? Because the people with a suitable example only it can reach.
Yes, sir, I'll unmute Indumati ma'am, sir.
Please.
Indumati ma'am, now you can talk.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Madam, thank you. Thank you for your valuable customer segment. Madam, please discuss what is your product. Madam, can I show that chart? Then you put one or two terms in each building blocks that may be useful for our other participant also. Shall I share that screen now?
Yes, sir.
Please, please. Thank you, madam. Thank you for coming forward, coming for this.
Yes, sir.
Please, madam. Please
Yes,
answer
sir. Yes, sir.
each one, each one. Now, what is your product? First, tell me your product.
Soap, sir. Handmade soaps.
Okay, handmade soap. Soap for particularly for washing cloth or regular bath soap.
So, sir, this might can be for a lab purpose. For
Oh.
lab purpose.
Madam?
For lab purpose, sir. The after whatever we are doing, we will be sterilizing her hands. No, what in the labs for
Okay.
lab purpose. Likewise, we can take.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, who are
Lab.
customer, madam?
First, we have to implement in the department. Then only we will be going for other things. No, sir.
Very nice. This is the innovative product.
Yes, sir.
So particularly you are giving a soap solution, particularly for after laboratory experiment, they want to wash for
The glasswares or whatever it is, sir.
okay.
Glassware.
Okay, good. Very good. Because innovative product here, customers are the people, those who are working in the lab, student researchers. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, what is the value proposition for your product?
It means cost, you're saying, sir?
No, no. Now we have a simple hand wash liquid.
Yes, sir.
Regular soap. Instead of that, why you want to use this your product, your special product after the exercise in the laboratory? Why they want to do your take your solution? That is a unique proposition. What way is different from regular wash, hand wash?
We are taking a natural resources and incorporating into that soap preparation. Natural resources, which is unwaste, we are throwing it. From that, we are collecting new components and we are preparing the soaps.
Okay, okay. Waste to wealth, we can say.
Yes, sir. Our wealth out of waste.
Madam,
so from that, you can take that.
Actually, waste to wealth, one among the issue here, one among the profitable one.
Yes,
Now, you are particularly focusing for the laboratory.
Yes, sir.
For the laboratory, we are giving a solution means our regular soap will not applicable for if you are using some grease or sometime you are using with our biotechnology lab. Based on that, we need extra kind of solution, soap solution required to remove many things. You want to maintain a hygiene, that regular soap solution will not help us. That's why we are introducing. Is it possible value proposition?
Sure, sir. If you are using microbes and all, we can use it, sir. We can prepare.
After using microbes with the regular hand wash, it is not applicable. That's why we are using another liquid. That liquid name we can call maybe a bio hand wash. With that bio hand wash, you can do with different one. After microbes, you can easily remove all those things. Another one with the bio product. We usually naturally available product only we are manufacturing the soap or solution. That is a value proposition here.
Yes.
Then who are the key activities? Key activities. What are the activities you want to connect? How you are going to manufacturing? You have idea. What is the raw material? How you are going to produce a product?
Sir, as I told, raw material will be from the waste we'll be collecting, and we'll be preparing. We'll be taking different ingredients of different thing, and whatever you said, all the composition. Either it has to satisfy removing the lipids and removing the pathogens and all. So those things will be the composition.
Is there any other thing, raw material, because we are not related to bio? Name
The raw
few raw
material,
material for that product.
raw material basically sodium hydroxide, sir. Whatever the soap
Oh,
we are preparing, so sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide will be the soap for the base.
okay,
So
okay,
that is the
okay.
chemicals we needed.
Okay, okay. What are the key resource? Any other ingredient?
So for fragrance, we can add any
Great, great, great,
Yes.
great. For smell, pleasant
Smell.
smell.
If you want a fragrance, you can add a fragrance, which is that is also naturally extracting from flowers or from thing, and we
Super.
can also give color from food colorants.
Madam, you are from
Naturally
same
preparing
MGR
something.
University, madam.
No, sir, I am from DJ Vaishnav College, sir.
Madam, do you have any practice? Do you have produced any product like this?
Sir, just a project. No, at the end of the project, we will be preparing soaps for that. That's it's not. I'm not used to it.
If you are trying, that may
Not
be useful,
preparing.
madam.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
If you have an interest, you are
Yes, sir.
able to buy few things. Then in your lab, you prepare that. With that, you
Yes, sir.
give it as a just sample to your students. Get comments from the students' feedback. Then improve. Who
Okay,
are
sir.
your key partners?
So key partners as such, we are doing along with the student collaboration, and we are doing it, sir. Just
Key partners,
now.
students collaboration, laboratory partner we have.
Yes, sir. We can
Okay.
also have that.
Then we have a revenue stream and a cost structure. Now,
Yes.
if you are very much interested on this product, you can contact, they will arrange a, you have Vaishnava near Arumbakam, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is
Yes,
a
sir.
separate,
Arumbakam, sir. Yes.
near Arumbakam only, no?
Yes, sir.
But the institution is developing entrepreneurship development courses and club இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா செல் இருக்கு இல்லையா?
Yes, sir. They are started.
They are conducting a program that is Vaishnava Market one day.
Vaishnav Bazaar, sir.
Vaishnava Bazaar. Actually, your institution that is only for women, women institution, madam.
No, sir. It is co-ed only. Now it is
Co-ed,
co-ed
okay.
only.
So
First.
what they are doing in the bazaar, please kindly explain 2-3 minutes. What you are doing.
Bazaar, sir. Actually, they are encouraging our students to be the sales persons. They
Okay.
are asking the persons who either a food or whatever renovative they are doing, they can project in that, and they will give the tickets for those things and all, and they can sell those tickets, and they can they'll get revenue will be getting by selling the tickets itself for them. And then the products, if it is sale, whatever the products they are giving, it will be profit for those students. That is what the
Customer here,
to build
customer.
an entrepreneurship. The customer is the students.
So you are not allowing
Students or
public
whatever
inside,
it is.
no?
Sir?
You are not allowing public.
Public, some stalls they can keep. The food stalls and all they are allowing, sir. Food stalls
No,
or
no.
some.
What I am asking,
Yes,
here
sir.
customer, public people can come and buy something. Is it possible?
Yes, sir. With the tickets, they can come and purchase.
Okay, sir. Okay. For entry ticket, you are publicized.
They have the entry tickets. The students who are all doing the stalls.
What are the benefits you can arrive from the entry ticket?
So the students know, sir, they should not lose their profit. So
No.
to get
If I am getting a ticket, I am paying 100 rupees based on that 100 rupees ticket. What are the benefit being a customer can get?
customer can get, they can see whatever the different malls they are having. We are having for education malls. Likewise, everything will be there. So
Like
that is
exhibition.
Exhibition, yes, sir.
So bazaar here exhibition.
Yes, sir. Exhibition which is having all things, sir. The food, the stationery, and then they handmade jewels. They're all preparing, and then the textiles. All those things will be there, sir. The notebooks, whatever.
How many days they are conducting this bazaar?
2 days, sir.
Oh, 2 days you are conducting a bazaar. Which month, madam? I think March.
Sir, it depends on the time schedule, sir. Last time we done, the college has done on Jan, sir. So
Only in the one time in the year, no?
Yeah, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Great, great, madam.
Yes.
So, Vaishnava Bazaar, based on that, we are also introducing on the Women's Day.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, we are getting, students are engaging with the sales, their own product, they are getting from some other place, they are selling all those things in the institution. That
Yeah.
entrepreneurial activity, one among the entrepreneurial activity. Very
Yes.
nice, madam, your discussion. This
Thank
unique selling proposition is number one. This is bio, product itself bio.
Yes, sir.
In the laboratory, you are using microbes, you are specially designed for that. It definitely will come, madam. If you want any related thing, you can contact BYST, Bharat Yuva Shakti Trust. BYST.
Okay, sir.
They are also very much interested on a product like this.
Okay. Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you for your suggestion and gave me that opportunity, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Yes. Sir.
Another participant, please come forward for customer segment and product. Please give in your institution, kindly give this 9 building block for business plan canvas. Student can get new customer segment. What is the unique value proposition? Everything. Anybody is interested? Please come forward. Thanks, Indumati madam. Any other faculty? Please come forward. Otherwise, we will go to next topic. We have a technology readiness level. What is technology readiness level? This is a measurement of the maturity level of a particular technology. What level we have? Basically, we have a 1 to 9. That scale is from 1 to 9. 9 being most manufactured technology that we call mature technology, what we are developing. Technology to evolve from concept to the research, develop and deploy. Develop and deploy. You need to develop. Develop means in Tamil, utpatti. Can you guess the word deployment in Tamil? If you are producing a product in a smaller sense, 1 or 2, few in the laboratory, that means development. If you have a large scale, that is called deployment. For more number, large scale. So now we will discuss about TRL level, technology readiness level. Why we want to use this? Whether you are in the matured level or not. If you are not in the matured level, you cannot promote your product. That's why this assessment is very, very important. Here we have a 9 different level of technology. I'll explain each one. Then we will discuss with a suitable example. Number 1, basic principle observed. That is a level 1. What we are doing in the laboratory or what we are doing in the research. That is a basic principle observed. That is a basic level 1. Second level is technology concept formulated. Based on the technology, what you are going to formulate. Third one, proof of concept. Everything is possible based on the observation of the problem from the customer end or industry end. Fourth one is technology validate in the laboratory. You are taking a product, you are experimenting a product, then in the laboratory, you are verifying all those things. Next, validate relevant environment. Laboratory environment result is different. Relevant technology development level, customer end environment also it's a differ. System prototype demonstration in operational environment, that is a customer end. system complete and qualified. If you have a complete system, when qualified, we go for selling. Finally, ninth stage, we call actual system proven in the operational environment. So we have a deployment 7, 8, 9 level. TRL level 7, 8, 9, we call deployment. Development 4, 5, 6. Research 1, 2, 3. Research level 1, 2, 3. Basic principle, technology concept formulated, experimental proof of concept. This is called research. Then we have technology validate in the lab, technology validate in the relevant environment, technology demonstration that we call development in the lab. Everything in the lab and relevant environment. Then we had a prototype demonstrated in the operational environment. Now we are developing a system that we are working in the laboratory, same people, same system, same manpower handling, we are getting suitable result. But the same product you are taking outside, other area, sometime, other operator, other environment, whether it's working or not. We call two different terms. One is repeatable, another one is reproducible. Repeatable means the same condition, same environment, same raw material. If you are working in the same manpower, we are getting a suitable result. That is called repeatable. Reproducible means other environment, other material, other operator. If the same result you are getting, that is repeatable and reproducible. Our product should be repeatable as well as reproducible. That is the minimum condition what we are getting. So technology readiness level, TRL level, this is there. If you have a product, your startup product coming to the stage, being a manager or mentor, you need to understand this level. Your product is in which TRL level. First one is a basic idea. Then second is a conceptual stage. For 4 years degree program, if you are starting the idea, the second year we need to complete the research and principal research TRL level 3. Third year, mini project, we can complete TRL 4, 5, 6. The students are capable for producing a product. Project, we are able to complete. Final year, if we are capable of TRL 7, 8, with that 8, another 6 months we have a new product. We are going for enterprises. This is possible by means of college learning, particularly for startup. So TRL 3 is experimental proof of concept. Experimental proof with the software testing, simulation, laboratory. Then we are doing a lot of work in the laboratory. Madam is telling a product is new product, soap solution, particularly for bio product, that too working for bio. It may be in the TRL 4 means you are developing that liquid or soap in the laboratory using. Then large scale we want to mention with the laboratory scale to large scale with the prototype demonstration. Then pilot scaling, similar system you want to evaluate. Now, the most of the incubators, they are doing that level of dynamic working from the TRL level 1 to 9. We call capability validate on economical run. If you are producing a product, if the customer is buying the product, are they capable for buying? Are they ready to buy that product? Are they able to give money for that? That's why most of the startup is failed because of they are not identifying the customer segment, customer's taste. That's why when the interview moving to the startup, we ask, who are your payable customer? Who are your buying customer? That is an immediate question from the candidate or participant that is coming for the particular level. Then we have a TRL 8, actual system completed and qualified through the test and demonstration. Ninth one, the proven manufacturing method, technology for coming with the suitable product. So TRL 1 to 9, we have a beautiful travel. This is a very, very important one, which your computer and the laboratory, we are covering 1 to 2, 3, 4. Relevant environment 5 to 6. Then simulation operational environment 6. 7 operational environment address the operation requirement. 8th 1 to 9 is a actual operation. Implementation of final system by the end user or they fit in their day-to-day operation. Madam is developing a soap solution. With that soap solution based on bio product, particularly for microbes they are using. If they are in the relevant exercise, experiment completed, actual operation, they want to give a product to the people. So most of the time in the TRL 9, reaching 9, before that, after crossing 5, most of the time we are connecting with the public only. Now, I'll give you a suitable example for that. A new product name, here may be a Horlicks. The people working in the laboratory with the mixing of different ingredient, laboratory testing, relevant environment. We have a complete laboratory. They are coming for 6th, 7th stage. With the operational environment, they want to continue. The customer, are they ready to? For that, what they did, the Horlicks manufacturing company, in particularly, they are giving a sample Horlicks powder. Same time, in the people, those who are assembling that mass marketing at free of cost, they are giving, distributing that Horlicks. 60 years back in CMC, Christian Medical College, morning 7 to 8, they are distributing the Horlicks for public. So the taste, whether they are accepting or not, are they getting? Initially, they don't want, they are not interested to take the Horlicks. After a few days, they want, they are, because the milk is mixed, that may be hot milk, they think, then we are mixing with some ingredient, because of that health is improved. In that way of publicity, they are capable for getting all those things. So after a few years, now you understand half kg Horlicks cost. What are the innovation added in the Horlicks? First, only one brand name Horlicks. Now, fiber, based on that fiber, they introduced for a people, particularly for people those who are suffering from sugar. Then women Horlicks, particularly bone strength, they are developing some different type of Horlicks. So depends on the customer need and taste, they are making some innovation, introducing the product. That is a very, very important one. Now, component, a single element of technology, the lowest subsystem that provides sufficient guarantee to identify a technical risk, the opportunities. First, I expressed that after 3rd level, the students are not able to pick up maximum, only 10% only travel after 3 to 4 stage. That's why we are telling TR level, are you crossing 4th level? Are you crossing 5th level? If you are crossing 5th level, complete a customer stage, we want to analyze. Now the simple description with a suitable example, TRL1, basic principle observed, scientific observation, only in the paper. Then in the paper again, technology concept. 3rd one is a experimental proof of concept. 4th one is a technology validation, that is in the development in the lab. 5th one, technology validation in the relevant environment. Technology demonstration in the other relevant environment. Then prototype demonstration in the operational environment. Operational environment is very, very important. Then system completed and qualified, then actual proving technique. Anybody having suitable example for that? If you have a product that is in what technology readiness level? Technology readiness level. What technology readiness level they have a product? Indumati madam, have you tried that in the laboratory level? Madam?
Sir?
Have
Can you
you
hear me?
tried in the laboratory level that what you are expressing now, the solution?
Yes, sir.
In the laboratory, have you tried?
So just for washing hands, we have been used, sir. That's it. We have not used for the glasswares and all. We just tried for the hand wash, and it is having the thing. That's what, sir. For
Oh.
initially we have done for that hand wash.
Oh. If you are interested, you make it as a profitable business, madam.
Sure, sir. We'll try, sir. We'll try, sir. Definitely.
Please.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
Thank you. Any
Thank you.
participant having similar type of example?
So Kalaivani ma'am has raised a hand. So I'll just ask Kalaivani ma'am to unmute it, sir.
Please. Kalaivani madam. Kalaivani madam.
Kalaivani ma'am, you have been asked to unmute and talk.
Chemical போயிருக்கோம். Kalaivani madam. For pharmaceutical development, we have a simple example. Research idea, then hypothetical testing, then proof of concept, preclinical studies, because more important is related to the our life. That's why we are giving more important proof of concept, phase 1 clinical trial, phase 2 clinical trial, third clinical trial is completed, then post marketing study and auditing. See, for development of pharmaceutical, they have a step. Please note down what are the major trial they have. With that, we are trying pharmaceutical development. I have shown. Then we can technology readiness level. This is for medical development. Another one, we have manufacturing readiness level. We call MRL level. This is a manufacturing readiness level, MRL. Similarly, we have 9 stages, MRL level. Investment readiness level, that we call IRL, investment readiness level. So for startup, we want to complete technology readiness level, then we call manufacturing readiness level, then we call investment readiness level. These are the 3 things what we understand from the today class. So IRL, we have a 9 different, for particularly IRL, first one is describe the assumption that must be true for each entry. Then market size and competitiveness we want to understand. Then problem solution. Complete first what is our requirement. Then fourth IRL we called prototype. Validate and market 3 prototype, 5th stage. IRL validate revenue model. 7th one high validate MVP, minimum viable product. 8th one validate your valuable delivery. Identify a valuable market in the matrix. Now we have MRL level, different manufacturing. For the startup, we are giving more important to TRL level only. So participant come forward. Which one is your startup? Which in the stage of TRL level? Please. Anybody? TRL level. Kalaivani madam. Anybody is ready for discussion? Kalaivani madam. Today class, we understand what is business plan canvas. What is business plan? Business plan canvas. 9 different block in the business plan canvas. Who are your customer segment? What is your value proposition? We understand all those things. Based on that, we are developing business plan canvas building. 9 different block that is may be useful for your students development. Definitely your student will fill up that sheet that we called assignment sheet for developing your mature idea. If you are entering into business, they will identify all those things. Then we understand what is technology readiness level, manufacturing readiness level, investment readiness level. For our institution startup, we want to concentrate technology readiness level, TRL. Based on that, what level we have, we can identify. Now, participant, do you have any question related to TRL or MRL or IRL? Do you have any other questions?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Please, madam, please.
Sir, is this TRL is like for the pharma industries, it is like mandatory for any kind of product formation to be done, or only for particular type of products?
Madam, this TRL level, everything based on the mentor availability, mentor statement, because for pharma industry, it is differ. Pharma industry, most you are playing with the people. You are giving a medicine. For that, we are having more concentration, particularly in the trial. First, initially laboratory trial, then we are coming to the public. Is it giving any feedback? Based on only we are changing the TRL. TRL level depends on the mentoring. Our mentor is fixing this. We need to go for more trial, means our TRL level will change. This will vary case to case, madam. Technology readiness level.
Okay,
If
sir.
we are doing some business, particularly in the mechanical base, our TRL level is differ. For mass production, it will change. That's why the laboratory level, we don't want to test more. In the mass production, sometime I am designing a connecting rod. After completion of the product, we are in the testing in the customer end. That's why initially we are giving a lot of period for warranty. Still, the warranty period for particular product washing machine, they are giving 7 years warranty. That means initial period, 7 or 8 years warranty means they are in the technology readiness level 8, 9, 10, 8, 9. They are, if you have a problem, they will identify, find the reason for the problem. That's why they are changing the particular component. So depends on the product, TRL level will vary. But we need to cross all the level from 1 to 9. Thank you. Is there any other question?
Thank you, sir.
Very first class, we introduced what is innovation and entrepreneurship. Second class, second day, idea generation. Third day, design thinking. Fourth day, technology readiness level and business plan canvas. Next class with this few case study, and we will have some suitable funding agency where we can get fund. Based on this faculty development program, you can go for student education and training, or if you are entering into a startup, you can connect with the state government, central government for developing your own product. If you are matured product, you go for suitable loan or any other seed fund from the state government and the central government. Madam, please, madam. Raising, one participant is raising, please ask. Anybody wants to discuss?
Participants, any questions, you can raise your hand. I'll unmute you.
Please raise. Madam will unmute. Madam, if it is possible to unmute all participants.
Sir, that would not be so possible. Sir.
Okay, anybody want to discuss, please? Come forward for discussion.
Sir, I guess no questions from the participants.
Okay. Shall we conclude with this? Next class, we will discuss about the case study, few important case study in the startup, and we will go for funding agency. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you, participants. Once again, we will meet Monday afternoon, 2 o'clock. Thank you. Thank you for organizers for arranging this wonderful faculty development program. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. It's a honor and privilege to thank on behalf of the academic staff college. So I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Elevale, sir, for his inspiring and insightful address. Your valuable insights into entrepreneurship, coupled with real world examples and practical approaches, have truly enriched our understanding and motivated us to embrace innovation in education and beyond. And to our faculty participants, thank you for your enthusiasm, active engagement, and willingness to explore new ideas. It is through your dedication that such initiatives will create a ripple effect, inspiring students and driving the spirit of entrepreneurship in our community. Sir, your presence have been truly inspiring. We hope to continue learning from you and looking forward to more such fruitful interactions in future. Thank you all for being a part of this program and gaining the fostering innovation and entrepreneurial growth in our respective domains. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, participant, for your patient listening. Thank you.
Dear participants, the feedback link has been posted in the chat box. I'll make sure the feedback will be enabled for 10 to 15 minutes. So kindly fill in the feedback forms. That will be very helpful.